Alright, let's see if Chef Pee-Pee can whip us up some fried egg sandwiches. Yeah, sounds pretty good to you guys?
Yeah, it sounds pretty good.
I'm gonna sit here and watch because I want to learn. It's gonna get really hot on my feet though.
Okay.
Yeah, let's make sure we get all those whites out of the eggs. Make sure the eggs taste really good. Yeah, you know. What about you there, guy? Do you like fried egg sandwiches?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
Yeah.
I didn't know you ate eggs.
I ate eggs before.
Hey, that cat sure likes eggs. Do you hear that? Jeez, cat, you and your egg loving. That's gross. Alright, looks like the eggs are getting nice and wisped here. What do you think, buddy?
Yes. It's looking pretty yellow.
Yeah, that's what you want. Now we just gotta get this butter tossed all around here. Alright, watch it.
Yeah. Now that's eggs right there.
Yes, that's butter. And this is eggs. Alright, 1, 2, 3, pour. Now we can hear SpongeBob going over there too. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I wonder if he lives in a pineapple and if it's under the sea or not. I don't know.
He does.
Oh, that kind of makes sense now. I always wonder why they have pineapples underwater.
Yeah. Pineapple's a fruit.
That is very true, yeah. It's a fruit. What kind of fruit is it, though?
Pineapple fruit.
Ah, okay. Kind of makes more sense that way.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can get these eggs to cook up the way we like them. Alright, so here we go. Let's sit here and watch everything go like this. Alright.
It's surrounded by cheese.
Yeah, that's a pretty cheesy joke there. Yeah, that smells really warm.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know about this. Ugh. I might fall in. Ow! No. Alright.
Are you okay, Junior?
Yeah, I'll be alright. Kind of stings a little bit. You know, it's okay. I'll be alright. I'll sit here and just look away until that starts happening. It smells like eggs. Ugh. Gosh. What are you doing over there? Just staring at the cheese? Is that what's going on here?
This cheese and bologna are talking to me.
Yeah. What do they say though?
They're saying, jump in my mouth.
Oh, okay. Well, you know, cheese likes to jump in people's mouths. I've heard that about me before.
Yeah.
Going in there now? What's going on?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go pet the kitty.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's being weird. You better watch out, dude.
That cat bit me.
Oh, man. Cat bit me, too.
Yeah.
I was like, ow, and then I was like, whatever. It's just a cat. Oh, look at these eggs, man. They're looking good, huh?
Yeah.
Quite like a fluffy egg, I always say.
Blender's talking to me.
You watch out for that turkey, boy. That turkey will get you.
The blender's talking to me.
Blenders are cool. This turkey's the weird stuff.
Yeah, the blender is like, come inside me and I'm going to blend you.
Oh, man. I don't know. Last time I went in there, things got really weird, dude. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to go take a nap in this blender for a while. Can you hear me?
No.
Hey, this is kind of scary. Please don't push any buttons.
Okay.
It sounded like a button got pushed. Oh no, I think it's going to start turning. I'm going to be like, okay. I'm good. Gotta shoot me out of there. Gee willikers, that was scary.
Yeah.
I don't know how Chef PP likes those things.
I don't know.
Alright, now let's go over here and make some sandwiches. Hang out over here by the butter, whatever, you know. Yeah, nothing like an egg sandwich. Yeah.
The cat is just staring at me.
Yeah, that cat, I'm telling you, it's probably just waiting to bite you again.
Yeah. It's so cute.
Yeah, she's a cute cat, that's for sure.
Yeah. But she can bite sometimes.
Yeah, some cats will do that.
Yeah.
Just cats being cats. Alright, look at these mountainous egg sandwiches we got here. Alright.
Uh-huh.
Alright. I think I'm gonna have to eat like 5 of these things, man. I don't know.
Oh, what if we ate a egg and banana sandwich?
Yeah, that'd be gross.
Yeah. But a banana sandwich?
Yeah, some people like banana sandwiches. Peanut butter and banana is really popular.
Yeah.
Never had one myself, sadly. Hey, Kinsey. Yay, nay? Nay. The most important thing is the salsa. Gotta have some good salsa.
Ooh. Oh, that looks so good.
Right. Makes it nice and spicy. When you poop, it'll be really runny.
Do you see SpongeBob playing over there?
Yeah, that crazy SpongeBob. Always doing SpongeBob stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're gonna put a little of the spinach or jalapeno and artichoke dip on there too. Yeah. That'll make it even better, right? Almost done here, guys. Alright. Yeah.
Junior,
Junior, what?
is someone else is holding the all the stuff for
Yeah.
you.
That's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like I have my very own Chef PP. Alright, now let's see who's working what here. We got the old man here doing stuff. It's Junior. Alright, we got the crazy cat in the corner. Yep, always. Say hi. Yeah, that's how you say hi. Alright. Now. Get
Yeah.
some cool stuff, man.
Chips and some Mario. Wait, no.
Just first off, how are you gonna put it? Ah! Oh, man, alright. Can we cut that scene, please? Can we please cut that scene? I'm gonna sit over here and hold this spatula. Ah! Alright. That burner sure was hot, dude. Ugh.
Yeah. By the way, guys, we're doing behind the scenes. I mean, bloopers.
Both.
Yeah. Yeah, the scenes and Bloopers.
Good. Made up a mess everywhere in your teeth.
Yeah, I just want to check out. Wow, that's mad.
Down here, but I feel like I'm kind of hanging out with everybody. I'm good. I'm good. They saved me.